Hey guys, it's Luis Urbieta here in the kitchen, live from my grandma's kitchen. Today we're going to talk briefly about the rain. You know, I'm not too much of a rain person, but, you know, I gotta shoot you straight, you guys. You know, I thought it wasn't even going to rain at all. By the looks of the sky that was there yesterday, I thought it wasn't even going to rain, but it did. I mean, you know, folks, please excuse my sneezing on the last video, so I had to delete it. But, folks, can't always have our cake the way we want just because we want to have more sunshine and more heat. You know, whoever thought that the heat wave is gonna cut it to cool us down, think again. Because, folks, let's face it, if it was always sunny all year round, the precious plants are gonna die. Everything is gonna die. So, we need to have a little bit of rain and a little bit of some wet weather. You know, we can't always have our plain and boring sunny days just because we like having sunshine. But, you know, back to my main story now. I was asleep and I heard some loud thunder and I was like, oh my goodness. I hope it doesn't rain like last year where first it was windy and then it began to rain and the thunder and whatnot. Anyway, I'm starting already to ramble on and on about the rain. But we're in Mexico, folks. We're not going to be having boring sunny days 365 days a year. Okay? This is not what we call sunny San Diego. We're in Morelia, where we sometimes get hailstorms and some rain. So if you guys want to think that, oh, we need to have this sunshine so that we can cool ourselves down, you gotta think again, folks. So, thank you guys for these couple minutes worth of mentioning about the rain. Keep it in mind, we shouldn't be asking for just nothing but sunshine. Because what's that gonna bring to us? Warm and more heat. It's gonna bring us more heat, and it's not gonna be good for us. So, thank you guys for these couple minutes about the reason why we need to choose between the rain and our boring sunshine. But folks, nature is not going to be kind to us all the time. So, thank you for allowing me to do a video about this. Please comment, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Don't forget your thumbs up button. Bye.